Hey, how's it going? My name is Wais and I welcome you to this video. Now, if you're a content creator on YouTube and you are not in US, then you're gonna have to fill in your tax information in your AdSense account. So today I logged into my YouTube Studio account and I had a pop-up saying, hey, before you can get paid, you have to fill in your tax information. And I've done mine and I wanted to show you how I did it and what are the options you have to select if you are an individual content creator, not business and not in the United States. I'm in Australia, but the same form will basically be but the way I'm going to show you it applies to the option we select, it applies to rest of the world except US. So the reason why we have to do is because from now on, YouTube is going to withhold our tax up to 30% if the source for that income is US based. So any videos or any AdSense or YouTube ads that you have in US, basically YouTube is going to take out like 30% of your income from that. So that's a bummer, but that's how it is. So I've added my tax details. So I just wanted to show you how I did it and what are the options that I have to select. And these options are applicable for rest of the world. So I'm gonna blur out a few things just to hide my personal details. So this is like my AdSense homepage, which I've blurred out because I don't want anybody to see that details here. So what I'll do, I'll just play this video, and what you need to do is go to menu and go to payment. So here, click on this, you get to see the payment option, select that, and then you'll see this red pop-up saying add your tax info. Let's go, let's play. And then on this page, you have this to get payout from Google, make sure to provide your tax information. This will take a few minutes. So next, click on this button here, add tax info. Okay, this one, I'm just gonna zoom in. This is the button, right? Don't click anywhere else. This is the button. All right, let's play the video and I'm going to click on that. And now once you click on that video, you're going to have to log into your AdSense account again just to verify who you are. I'm just logging in. That's about it. Once I get to this page, then you have to select whether you are an individual or non-individual / entity. So I believe you are an individual because, unless you're a company, people will know what to do. So individuals, check this and then click on next. Let's play the video. Next, you have to answer if you're a US citizen. So definitely these are the options that I'm showing you. It's for non-US citizens. So click on no and then click on next. Let's play the video. All right, so there are two forms here. The first form, I'm going to read it out. So it says the form is most commonly used by non-US individuals and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefit. So tax treaty benefits are a little bit complicated, so I had to go and learn more treaty between Australia and the US. So basically, I'm not applying for any treaty benefits, so I'll just select the first one. Now, if you're a business, a non-US business entity or individual that earns income related to its US trade or business and files a US tax return, then you have to use this form. This is going to give you a bit of a hassle because you have to probably fill in more information into it. So I'll select the first one, W-8BEN. Let's play the video. Click on start the form. Once you click on that, then it will take you to the next page where we just wait. Okay, now first of all, type your name and make sure this is the same name that you have with your AdSense account. So AdSense account takes your name and then use the same name there as well. Well, these are optional because if you click on this dot, it will tell you that you only need this information if you're applying for 3D benefits. So don't worry about that. And also these two options here, the foreign TIN and US ITIN or SSN stands for Social Security Number. In Australia or rest of the world, you don't really need that. So I'll just type my name there and then click on next. Let's play the video. Select the country, I forgot to say. Okay, so here on the next page, once you click on next, you will see the address that you have to fill in. So I just blurred out my information, definitely, because I don't want anybody to know my address. And you should do too if you're a YouTube creator and then showing people how to do it. So after I fill in my information, I'll just mark this as a check saying, yep, mailing address is the same. Now here is, are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? Well, I will just select no and then continue. But just to explain, there's a big documents. I've read it, and you don't really need to worry about that because YouTube is going to take 30% of your income from US. So yeah, this is how it is. Okay, let me play the video quickly. I'll just fast forward. So here's some information that you can read. And once you're done, then you click on next, then you get to see these options. So now, because you fill in information, this will automatically generate this form and add information to it. So you can click on this form and then take a look at the information because it's asking you to confirm that you have reviewed the generated text document. Click on this checkbox and then make sure that you have read that. Now once done, then just click on next. All right, once you've done that, then you gotta make sure that you put in the name, legal name. Okay, don't put in any YouTube name, or like my YouTube channel name is Awais Mirza, but my real name is Awais Jamil, so I'm putting my real name. Okay, I'll just let it go. And once done, then this is the option that you have to select. Let me just rewind that a bit. So it says, am I the person listed in the account? So yep, that's what you should be. So select that and then click on next. I'm gonna play. And then here are some other options. You can read it, but what you need to do here is, has the individual entity or identified a text entry section performed by any activities in service of Google within US? Well, I'm not doing anything in the US, so I'll just click on no and then just continue. Okay, and then I certify by checking that. And then next option, I'm providing text information. So let me just rewind a bit and then we'll read this. So it says, I'm providing text information for a new existing payments profile that hasn't received. So this is a bit tricky. I've read about it. So you have to select the first option because you are providing a text information for existing payments, which is this month, and then the payment that you haven't received. So actually the new or existing that I haven't received. So current month and then new one. So you have to select this option here. Let me just mark it out for you. All right, next one is going to be next, and that's about it. Once you click on submit, you gotta make sure you look at this status. It should be approved. So mine was approved, and yeah. And then here, if you look at, so it just say 30%, 30%, 30%. So YouTube is basically going to take more money from you now, and that's not nice, but that's how it is. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Cheers.